In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Beatbox on Soundtrap. We'll start from a blank slate and end with clean, usable Beatbox parts you can arrange into a groove. Open Soundtrap in your browser and click Enter Studio. When the workspace loads, choose Blank Project. Starting blank keeps the session simple and uncluttered, so every sound you hear will be your own voice, not a preloaded loop. Think of this as setting up your canvas before you paint. Now add a track for your microphone. Click Add New Track, select Voice and Microphones, and choose the standard vocal preset. This preset works on free accounts and gives you a clear recording path without extra effects getting in the way. Make sure your input is set to the correct mic and check that the level meter moves when you speak. Aim for healthy levels that don't clip. Peaks around the middle of the meter are perfect for beatbox transients. Next, we'll record the beatbox sounds separately, each on its own track. This is the key to a clean mix later. Record short, tight takes so you capture the punch without extra room noise. The common beatbox elements are kick, snare, hi-hat, and bass. For the kick, use a quick B or P, focusing on a strong burst of air with a brief tone. For the snare, try a crisp TSS or a sharp K made in the back of the mouth for a more percussive feel. For hi-hats, keep it tight with TS, aiming for consistent timing. For bass, hum a steady or try a wub for a wobblier texture. Create a new track for each sound using the same voice and microphones preset, and arm only the track you want to record. Press the red record button and capture a few clean hits for each element. Leave a little silence before and after each hit to make trimming easier. If you'd like steadier timing, turn on the metronome and set a comfortable tempo, and use a short count-in to lock your rhythm. Good mic technique makes a big difference. Stay about 2 to 4 inches from the mic, angle slightly off to reduce breath pops, and keep your volume controlled so transients don't clip. For kicks and snares, focus on precision. For hi-hats, keep them consistent. For bass, maintain a steady tone. Because each sound lives on its own track, you'll be able to balance and shape your beat easily later. That's all you need to get started. Create a blank project, add a voice track, and record each beatbox element on its own track with short, clean takes. Play them back together and you've got the foundation of a beat made entirely with your voice.